going to put the chickens away. We're gonna check on the birds' situation. Whew, there they went. For once, they actually flew away. Up there is their nest. And they usually just sit there creepily while I put the chickens away. But tonight they flew away. Hello, kitties. Yes, so now we can zoom back out. Okay. Let's put the chickens away. Hello, chickens. Yes, you are huddled up there. And Queen Daisy's over there. Good night. No, kitty. Come on. Come on. Come on. No. Come on. Now let's go see this other bird situation over here. Hey. What are you doing? Come on. Excuse me. You make it hard to walk. You make it difficult to walk. Okay. Okay, anyway. Yes, hello, there's you too. Stop that. Okay, hey, stop scratching my toes. Okay, up here, I was laying in the hammock earlier, and then I saw there's a blue jay nest right there. Oh, can you see it? I don't know, it's getting kind of dark. And I moved because I didn't want them to poop on me, but there are definitely blue jays up there, and I think the kitties are gonna get them sometime because they are already climbing trees, and that's not too high up there. Yep. And you and your obsession, okay, obsession with feet. And here is their favorite little makeshift toy at the moment. Okay, anyway. Alright, let's go inside, kitties. All the other animals are put away. Yes, both of you.